we are done with white center and this yellow center, then we will keep the white center on left side, yellow on the right side, and bring the blue center in front. Blue center in front, and here I will try to make it complete blue. So we will follow the pattern of blue, orange, green and red. So it should be all blue, all orange, all green and all red. So we will make the centers similarly. We have made these centers. The process will be same. First try to make this blue bar in the middle, then we will make the other two bars. So for making it, see, one bar is here, one piece is here, the other piece, let's see where it is. So one piece is here. I want to make a bar, so see where are the pieces. One is, you can match it like this. One was here, one was on the bottom, so I matched it like this. Once it has become this horizontal bar, I will make it vertical like this. Remember, white is on left, yellow is on the right side. One vertical bar is done. Now we'll make the other two bars. So always try to make the bars in any other layer apart from the layer which you are solving, and then bring that vertical bar directly into this space. So let's make another bar. One piece is here, one is here. So first try to match at least two pieces together and make a bar of two pieces. Then we will make a bar of three after that. So one is here. They are not coming together. We can make the bar like this also. These two are same. Now bring this back. And now we have made a bar like this. Three pieces are in the same line. Make it a vertical bar. Bring it back like this. Now two are done. Let's make the third one. If you have this one piece here, take it on the other layer like this. Because to make a complete line, a complete bar of this, you need to bring that piece in different layer and then join it with other pieces. One is here, other two pieces are here. So let's bring it directly on this layer. This piece also you can bring it, or you can do it like this. Bring it on bottom. You have to, so this piece and this piece, you have to bring them together. So first try to match these two pieces. So you can match it like this, keeping one piece here, one here, and you will match it like this. And once you try to match this, you will see the already made part is again getting unsolved. So take it to other side, bring it back, bring this line back. Now two pieces are matching. Bring the third piece is here. Bring it on top, move it to other side and bring it back. Now you have to match these two pieces and this piece, three pieces, and make a bar. So make it horizontal like this and make this one also at this place so that we can match it together. We can match it like this. Move it to other side, bring it back so that the blue that you made is still there. Now directly bring it. So now you got this blue center. After making the blue center, you have to make orange center. So the process is same. Try to bring all the pieces together. First try to make the middle bar. So one I have matched like this, move it to other side, bring it back. So you need to take care that the already made part is not getting unsolved. Two parts are done. Let's see where the other pieces. Three pieces are here. Bring it in this layer. Move it to other side. Bring it back. Now I want to make a horizontal layer right now, middle layer. So match it like this. You got this line. Move it vertical like this and bring it back. So we have made this middle vertical layer of orange. Now I want to make other two layers, other two bars. So one bar is already there, so again if I try to bring this bar directly here, this part will unsolve. So for that, bring it on bottom, move it to other side, bring it back. See, the blue is still the same. Now let's try to make the last orange bar. One piece is here, another two pieces are here. So we can match it like this. Like this. Make it vertical and bring it back. Now two bars are done. Third bar is here. I can solve the last bar like this. Bring it on bottom, move it to other side and bring it back. So after blue, orange is done. Now you have to make a green center. So one bar is already solved. So let's solve the other two bars. In my case, one bar is already solved. So move it to bottom, bring it to other side and bring this piece back. When you have two pieces like this, the last two centers, two red pieces are here and two green pieces are here, then how to solve it? You can do this. Keep these two pieces on the back, one piece here. I can match it like this, move it to other side and bring it back. This is how we will be able to solve all the centers.